If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. Alright, so this one is mirroring Bitcoin because Bitcoin has been pretty much sideways, nothing interesting at all, and even this coin itself doesn't look to be interested to do something huge, right? But just to reassure you, we still are looking for a 2560 to the downside for JASMY, of course. Now there's nothing to, it's pretty much the same story right now, and that's a bear flag that still is pending to come, pretty much. So let's try to analyze the monthly as well, because you do have 5 to 6 days remaining to close the monthly. Now, how do you close the monthly really matters, and we could probably see a very big drop for JASMY right over there with this one candle down all the way to 2,500. If that doesn't happen, then we could be looking at a little bit of a push back up in the beginning of the month in January, and then continue lower to that green box at 1,800. That's pretty much it for this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.